Whew. Alrighty. Today is going to be a math lesson, basically, on how to calculate your rewards for GoMining in MinerWars. Because it's not steady rewards like solo mining is. For MinerWars, it's kind of here and there rewards, and you also have these multipliers that change your rewards, which can really affect your payout. Because say you win the 256x block, well, that's going to be a lot of money. It's going to be a lot. So we're just going to jump into this. I have it written down, so it's nice and easy. I will even put it in the description of the video in case anyone wants to do a little copy and paste, and you can just switch out the example with your current numbers. That way it's super easy. That's what I used to do in math class. That's the reason why I love math. Actually, I just love numbers. So to calculate your potential payout, it is A divided by B equals C times D equals E times F equals G. Little confusing, a little autistic. I know, but that's just because I made it. So the way that I figured out how to get your potential rewards is you're going to get your terahash amount, that's yours, and you're going to divide it by your clan's total terahash. And we're even going to do an example here. I have the example here already written down, but I'm also going to do it on the calculator so you can see it. So your amount of terahash divided by the clan's total terahash. So right here you have 1 divided by 500. You have 1 terahash. You're going to divide it by the clan's total terahash, which is 500, equals 0.002 equals 0.002%. And as you can see, we did A divided by B equals C. C is your share of terahash percentage wise. So in your clan, if you have 1 terahash and the clan's total is 500, your share is 0.002%. And then now we times that by D, which is the clan's total Bitcoin rewards. So right here, let's say your clan has mined a total of somehow exactly 0.01 Bitcoin. When you multiply 0.002 times 0.01, we almost did that wrong, you get 0.00002 Bitcoin, because 0.002% of 0.01 Bitcoin equals 0.00002 Bitcoin. And that right there, as you can see, is your E, is your potential Bitcoin rewards, which is 0.00002 Bitcoin. And now to find out the price, super simple. We're going to times it by F, and F is the good old fucking price of Bitcoin. Easiest way to remember that one. Easiest way to remember that one. You go, what's F? F is the fucking price of Bitcoin. And right there it is, well, not currently right now, but what I have in there is 96,000. So we are going to times this times by 96,000, and you get $1.92. And what do you know? You get $1.92 here, which equals G, your payout, your potential payout. Now that's the first example. Now it does change. So your share per block depends on how much terahash is in the clan when the block is 1. That's what we just went over. So your share per block depends on how much terahash is in the clan when the block is 1. Your terahash, the clan's terahash. So if the clan's total terahash doubles from 500 terahash to 1000 terahash and then wins another block, but you're still at 1 terahash, your reward is going to be half of what it was when the clan was still at 500 terahash. Now, for me, that is confusing. That confuses me. I need to see numbers to make it clear. For some people, this made it super clear for them. For others, that made it even worse. But here is a nice little example again. So you have example 1. We just went over example 1. Now we're going to go over example 2. So we're going to clear our calculator. Example 2. The clan's terahash has now doubled, but you're still at 1 terahash. So now you do 1 terahash divided by 1,000, because it's doubled from 500, divided by 1,000 equals 0.001. So your percentage share in the clan is now 0.001. So it's half of what it was prior. The Bitcoin rewards are still the same because we're still going off that example. Let's just say it's the next week. So you just won a new block for the week. So we're just going with the same number. It doesn't matter. So now we will multiply it by 0.01 Bitcoin, and you now have 0.00001 because the clan's terahash doubled, but you did not double it. So we're going to do 0.00001 Bitcoin times 96,000, which is the quote-unquote price of Bitcoin, and you now have 0.96. If we times this by 2, look at that. That is the easiest way that I can explain how to calculate your rewards for MinerWars, because I know it is quite confusing. But remember, this is only calculating how much you're getting for the block that was just won, and unless you're continuously keeping track of every single time a block was won, and you're doing the calculation of how much current terahash is in the clan and the price of Bitcoin, then you're just going to continuously be guessing. So there's no point trying to keep adding every single block up. It's basically, if your clan wins a big block, like an 8x or a 16x, you can use this formula to guess how much your potential payout is going to be from that block alone. Or if you're just curious how much a single block is going to pay out at the moment if you win it, then this would be a very, very good estimate. So if you have any questions, leave them below. I will answer them, and if need be, I will also make a video on them to further explain them. Have a good one, everyone, and look, these lucky fuckers just got themselves a nice 2x block, and they didn't even boost. Have a good day, guys.